Hello everyone. In Asian countries, we have special dish balut, and this is one way to prepare balut. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. Thank you. So this dish today my sister A treats us. She has 12 eggs, and this is Vietnamese mint. Must have vegetable herbs that need to have to eat with balut. So the eggs are dirty. Before you cook it, you need to clean very well, and then to make it flavorful, we cook them in coconut water, and beside that add sugar, salt, and seasoning powder, and cook until done. It's about 30 minutes or so, and then you remove the shell. And when you do so, the juice coming out. So better you have a big bowl to catch the juice running out, because you need to reserve the juice for the next step. So this is my sister 4. She shell on the eggs, and now we're ready to put in the bowl. So we prepare 2 for each person, and we use a small bowl and add fish sauce, fat, pepper. If you like a little sweet, add a little sugar, and garlic, because all those things, when you grill them, it's very fragrant and nice. The way we grill this dish, we use the air fryer, and you remember to sprinkle green onion on top as well, and load them into air fryer. When you use air fryer, it's very easy. Just load, turn on the heat about 5-10 minutes, and that's it, you're done. And we eat this with another popular dish, crab soup with noodles, with rice noodle. It's very good. I have recipe in my channel. You can check back. I put the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.